Hi, today day 51, 8th January 2025, and we will see the update today. And in this series, we are checking like with 1 lakh capital, how much percentage we can profit we can make with the low and medium risk and without losing the capital. So because most of the people will lose money here, so how long we can go in this journey, that's what we are checking. And losing means losing capital, 30% of the capital. And currently in day 54, cumulative realized profit or loss will be 53,390, and cumulative unrealized profit and loss will be minus 56 to 37. And we will see what update we have made today. And compared to yesterday, we haven't make any may adjustment today. We are keeping the same as it is, because as if you watched the previous swing, we are waiting for the some movement, so that's not happening till now. And so same thing today also. And this is a payoff chart, and theta is still minus 510. It means like due to time decay we are losing the money. So because we haven't sell the upper side, we are waiting for the momentum or upside movement. So if you see here, we are having the same chart for more than 2 weeks. We are waiting for some turnaround, but it is on the line for more than 2 weeks. Like if you can see like how many candles are there, and 2 days it went up during expiry time, and again it came back to the same line, and today also it did the same, almost near to that line. And tomorrow expiry, so we can expect either side uh, some big movement. So how more the time it is been on the line, when it start when it breaks that uh, area, it will be move either violently upside or violently downside also. Both can be possible. We can't predict it, but the movement is going to be very fast. And tomorrow we will see what will happen. Tomorrow is just day, and until that, wait for update.